Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're changing a battery on a Timex watch here. This watch belongs to a family member, and I'm changing the battery for her. So this has a pressed-on case back, and I already removed it with this tool here. Typically, there's a little tab on these, and then you just pry up underneath that, and you pop it off the case back. So I did that a few days ago, so I knew what size battery to order. It'd be nice if these companies would include on the back of these cases or somewhere, well, case back, what kind of battery it takes, right? So you can just buy the battery and then replace it. Oh, it does say it on there. Okay, well, I guess I should have paid more attention right there. CR1216, and that's the battery that I bought. So yeah, looks like it just fell out of here. So how was that? It's just sitting in here. Right side. Oh, there we go. It's sitting in there like that, and as you saw, it just fell out. So there we go. That was easy enough. I think this is sharp enough to cut into the plastic. So let's see, what do we have here? Swiss Army knife. A little precision incision here, I guess. Oh, these batteries. So I bought them from Amazon. Amazon's kind of weird. You can buy, I think it was 10 batteries for $5 from, I don't know if this is a well-known brand or not, but the other one is like a no-name brand. You could buy 10 for $5, 20 batteries for $6, and then this here I bought a 5-pack for $3. So I have a bunch of different batteries amassed now because none of these watches use the same battery. Still waiting for the batteries to arrive for my wife's Shinola. Let me show you that battery. Actually, it's kind of funny. Okay, so that one is pressed in. I should just be able to press on. The case back will be running there, but look at this battery that my wife's Shinola takes. So this is the old battery from the Timex, and then this is the battery from my wife's Shinola. Look how small that thing is. So that's, I would say that's why that battery only lasted a year. This one here, I don't know. I'd have to ask my other family member how long this battery lasted her, but I would imagine a lot longer than the Shinola did. So anyway, let's put that battery back over there. This one I can throw in the trash. This one we'll put back on. Surprised it doesn't stay in there a little more firmly. Yeah, so there you see the second hand's ticking now, so we're in good shape there. I need to figure out how to press this case back on. I need to find the little nub on here and try and line it up with one of the lugs. Right there's the little nub. Rotate it actually right there. So hopefully you can see that right there. Right there, there's kind of a little nub on the case back. So I'll probably press this down by hand or not. I'll have to figure out another way to persuade this into position. I have some woodworking clamps that have rubber on both sides, so I might just try and use those to snap it back in place. So actually, you know what? Let me do that real quick. I'll pause the video here and then see if that'll work to snap it back in place. All right, so that worked. Just used some woodworking clamp to clamp the case back on. I don't know if it's the best way to do it, but it looks like it worked. Put a piece of silicone, a silicone mat over the crystal, and then just squeezed So yeah, I'll show you the woodworking clamp real quick if you're interested. But it looks like it's back in working order here. So just use this type of clamp here. Irwin Quick Grip has the rubber pads, but you know, I use them for woodworking, so it's got all kinds of junk on the pads and stuff. So wood glue, everything else. Anyway, that will conclude this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Upload a lot of videos, at least 3 per week, sometimes 1 every day. So yeah, as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.